All right, Tom, it's done. I stayed up late to finish this car bed for you.
Wait, is this really mine? Dad, it looks like a real race car. Wow, look at these wheels. They're so cool. Okay, I'm getting in. This is my driver's seat. Whoa, this road is crazy, but I love it. Vroom, vroom. I'm driving super fast now. Hey, what's going on in here? I hear a lot of noise. Oh my gosh. Is that a car bed? It looks really fun. Can I jump on it for a second? No, no, no. Stop. This is my bed. Dad made this just for me. It's not for sharing. Wow, okay. You don't have to be like that. He's acting really selfish today.
Anna, come here, honey. I want to show you something.
I know you're upset, so I got this for you. Thank you, Mom. No way! A remote control car? Are you serious? Look at it go! It turns so smoothly. Okay, slow down, don't crash. Hey, Anna. Can I play with that car too? No, Tom. This is mine.
You didn't want to share your bed, remember?
That's not fair at all. Fine. I don't want to play anyway. I want to be alone. No entry. This is my room. Anna is not allowed in here either. I don't need anyone. I can play alone. But this feels kind of boring. But playing together is more fun. It's not fun anymore without Tom. Maybe I should talk to him. He sounds really happy in there. I'm winning this race for sure! I guess he doesn't need me. Maybe I should go back to my room. This isn't that fun anymore. I kind of miss Anna. Is that laughter? Maybe Anna is having fun. Oh no! What is happening? Why is it not moving? Oh no. Something happened. I have to check her out. Anna! What happened? Tom, my car stopped moving. I don't know what to do. The wheel just fell off. I think it's broken. Okay, calm down. Let me take a look. I think I can fix this. It just came loose. Hold on. I need to push it in slowly. Anna, try to move it again. I think that will work. Oh, wow! It's working again. Here you go. Be careful next time. I'll just go back to my room now. Wait. Tom. Come here. Come here. Do you want to play together? You mean playing together? Yeah, it's more fun that way. Okay. Let's play together. Your car bed is actually really cool. Yeah, but it's better when we share. Okay, the car is driving into the garage. Nice turn. Don't hit the wall. This is our repair shop. Please come in. It's more fun than playing alone. I really like role-playing with you, Tom. I'm sorry I didn't share the bed with you. I was selfish. It's okay. I was kind of selfish too. I did not share my toy with you. You can play with my car. Thank you, Anna. You can get on my bed. Playing together feels better. You are right. Wow! Playing with your car is so fun! Whoa! That was awesome! Wow! Your bed is really comfortable too. No wonder you love it. We make a pretty good team. High five! High five!
I love seeing you two like this.
Looks like that bed and the car brought them closer at last. Good night, kids. Don't stay up late.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad.